What's this? I got an email. Oh, okay. Ooh, food? Oh. Hey, so I've been looking for a cropped hoodie for the longest time. I didn't want it to be too thin of a material. So I did a lot of research. I started off on TikTok, and there I got a lot of links to Amazon products, and all the reviews were very, very different. Some loved it, others were like, what is this? I did go to Brandy because I did see this one hoodie I liked. I forgot the name, so I'll put it below, but when I tried it in store, it was not it. I think they must have changed the manufacturer or something, because the quality was just much thinner than I had hoped, expected, and knew it had been. I had tried one on in a thrift store, and it was like very, very worn, but it was like the perfect fit. Anyways, I went to Brandy thinking that I could find it, but I didn't, so I probably should have just bought the one I saw. Anyways, you live and you learn. So then finally I went to Aritzia, and I tried on the first one I saw. It was like this boxy boyfriend fit. It looks so thick, it looked really nice. I tried it on, and it wasn't flattering. It may have been one size too small, but the back kind of just like hung, and I almost left. I've also never shopped at Aritzia before, so I didn't know they didn't have mirrors in their dressing rooms, so I had to leave my little cube, so that was fun. Then one of the employees came up to me and she was like, how's everything? I was like, I don't really like this. So because I had other things that I was trying on, she came back to ask me about those. And then she said, you know what, let me get you a stylist. So the stylist came back, and I told her, I said, do you have something that matches the skirt or whatever? And I didn't buy it because it was $68, but it was kind of cute skirt. Anyways, I stayed focused because I was only looking for a hoodie. And I told her, I was like, oh, do you have another hoodie that's less boxy but also still thick and in this color? And she was like, yeah, we do actually, let me bring it out for you. So she brought it out for me in a small and an extra small, but it wasn't in the color I wanted, but she said she could order it for me. So it's here now. I got the Cozy Fleece Perfect Fit hoodie in heather chrome and an extra small. Here we go. Ow. Here we go. Ooh. I love their packaging, it's so fun. This is Singapore, 1993. All right, let's open it. Here she is. Nice and thick. TNA, it's the TNA one. Before I try it on for fit and everything, I want to show you guys why I needed this. I'm justifying the $70. Free shipping though. Alright, so I have this coat, this puffer, and every time I wear it, this happens. I don't have anything cropped, and I don't feel like walking out like this, you know, like bunching it in. So now I'm going to try this with this, and hopefully magic. Alright. Oh, it's so soft. I also asked the worker if this shrinks, and she said no, she has these in the sweats and they don't shrink. She just washes it on cold and air dries it. I'm gonna zip it up. I really hope it doesn't shrink, because these sleeves, I mean, like, this is cute, I can do this, whatever, but if it shrunk, I don't know. You can't see it at all. And now I'm gonna be warm and stylish. Wow. It's like, it's right here. I didn't even have to like pull it up. It's perfect. So if you were looking for a cropped hoodie as an investment piece, I would recommend this one. Oh, I'll do a 360. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll link this down below. I like this size of this hood. This is nice. There you go. Yes.